Hello everyone. Today was rainy day. Mm, Today I will present a geometric proof of the sum of angles a trigonometric function. Um, Although this simple, it does to improve my English and be able to take more advanced courses in this language. Um, so starting. Um, Present theta and alpha in it circle unitary. Um, this would be sine uh, sine of theta. Okay. If it is unitary, but if radio is distinct of unitary would be um, the late first expression and name radio R and so um, opposite late R um, multiply cosine no um, sine sine of theta learning ambiguous okay and adjacent lake r multiply cosine theta uh, both exist properties if line draw Celeste um, radio sky blue is orthogonal radio pink, although it might both seem but is orthogonal. Point orthogonal square angle. And this is due to circle not perfect. Next, since this is orthogonal sky blue con radio pink, um, uh, here alpha So um, uh, if if it is a circle radio is equality and I'm everywhere, so uh, radio sing um, of alpha and wait um, and this radio blue and radio white. What is uh, radio white multiplying cos of alpha. Um, so um, if we want sine some triangles, example sine theta further alpha, we would be missing slime green, which is the same toys. So line red and purple line okay this line yellow with line pink is orthogonal, so okay according to the rules of geometry, uh, this this angle is equal this angle. Um, we paint it yellow, so this angle perpendicular, this is angle perpendicular is equal, so theta is equal this angle theta. How this is perpendicular, theta as complement. If theta complement I will be beta. So this is perpendicular complement theta is beta. So beta. So this is theta. Because this is perpendicular. We can know that radio this alpha is R blue. That with this sign of alpha, and so this is theta opposite relate is RSN of alpha, that hypotenuse R sine alpha opposite relate theta is sine of theta. So sine of theta, and adjacent late theta adjacent is cosine theta. So hypotenuse R sine alpha R sine of alpha multiply cosine theta, cosine of theta, in a certain signs would we know some line red, line blue sky, and wood is equal R cosine alpha R cosine of alpha multiply sine theta, sine of theta. Assuming that radio is one, radio is one, and so cosines alpha sine theta, some sine alpha cosine theta, so we multiplies in past. Okay, we paint of black sine of theta's further alpha is equal cosine in blue cosine of alpha multiply sine theta sine theta further read sine line read sine alpha cosine of theta sine of alpha cosine of theta. We have it. But for cosine, what is thinking cosine uh, with white cosine theta further alpha is equal um, thinking um, uh, uh, radio multiply cos theta is line large um, in, lime pink uh, is short corresponds some angle theta for the alpha. What we need line pink is less line white sine of alpha multiply sine of theta. So radio cos theta is equal um, um, cos radio blue cos alpha multiply cos theta um, in a certain sense um, radio is one cos of alpha multiply cos uh, of theta um, less sine of alpha multiply sine of theta less sine of alpha multiply sine of theta. We have it and that's all, and the rest is easy. And thanks for watching this video and goodbye.